हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सबका फिर से एक बार हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल द हैरी सर अकेडमी में। आई होप यू ऑल आर गुड। तो जैसा कि आप लोग जानते हैं, मैं डेली यहाँ पर रीडिंग, राइटिंग, लिसनिंग एंड स्पीकिंग से रिलेटेड टॉपिक्स लेकर आती हूँ ताकि आपकी ये चारों स्किल्स इम्प्रूव हो और आप फ्लुएंट इंग्लिश बोल सकें। तो ठीक उसी तरह आज फिर से हाजिर हूँ आप लोगों के सामने एक नई वीडियो के साथ। सो टुडे आई विल टेल यू हाउ यू कैन इम्प्रूव योर इंग्लिश थ्रू हिंदी मूवीज़। सो गाइज ये बहुत ही आसान है एंड टू फाइंड इट आउट मेक श्योर टू वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल एंड। लेकिन उससे पहले अगर अब तक आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है देन हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें एंड डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू प्रेस द बेल आइकन ताकि आपको इस तरह के इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियोज़ के नोटिफिकेशन डेली मिलते रहें। नाउ गाइज विदाउट एनी फर्दर डिले लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। फ्रेंड्स, आप मूवीज़ तो ज़रूर देखते होंगे, तो आपने कुछ नहीं करना है, बस अपनी कोई सी भी फेवरेट मूवी या फिर आपने जो मूवी रिसेंटली देखी है आपने उसे इंग्लिश में बोलने की प्रैक्टिस करनी है। आपने उस मूवी से क्या सीखा, उस मूवी का मेन मैसेज क्या था, आप ये सारी चीज़ें इंग्लिश में शेयर कर सकते हैं। सो गाइज मेक श्योर टू ऐड ऑल द स्मॉल डिटेल्स हियर, लाइक इसका प्रोड्यूसर कौन है, डायरेक्टर कौन है, मूवी में कितने कैरेक्टर हैं और हर कैरेक्टर का इसमें क्या क्या रोल है और मूवी सोसाइटी में क्या मैसेज डिलीवर करना चाह रही है। आप ये सारी डिटेल्स इसमें ऐड कीजिए, इससे आपका स्पीकिंग कंटेंट बढ़ जाएगा और आप आसानी से इंग्लिश बोलने की प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं। इट डजंट मैटर इफ़ यू आर स्पीकिंग ब्रोकन इंग्लिश, द मेन मोटिव हियर इज़ जस्ट टू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश। सो गाइज यहाँ पर आज मैंने मूवी ली है 12th फेल। आई एम श्योर आप सबने ये मूवी ज़रूर देखी होगी और अगर आपने ये नहीं देखी है देन आई विल हाईली रिकमेंड दिस मूवी टू यू बिकॉज गाइज इट इज़ सच एन इंस्पिरेशनल मूवी। तो चलिए अब स्टार्ट करते हैं कि इस मूवी को इंग्लिश में आप शेयर कैसे करेंगे। सो फ्रेंड्स, 12th फेल मूवी इज़ एन अमेजिंग, आउटस्टैंडिंग, हार्ट वार्मिंग एंड थॉट प्रोवोकिंग मूवी. This movie is directed by Vidhu Vinod Chopra and it was released in October 2023. So guys, I watched this movie a few days ago and this movie is inspired by a book which is written by Anurag Pathak. So the main character of this movie is a boy named Manoj Kumar and he is in 12th class, and we can see that this movie revolves around the journey of Manoj Sharma from being a 12th fail to becoming an IPS officer. So throughout the movie we can see that Manoj is very honest, loyal, he is very hardworking and he has a positive attitude and he also have a single-minded devotion towards his goal, and here we can see that he goes through lots of ups and downs, still he never gave up on his goal. So guys, 12th fail movie conveys a very strong message in society and it also sheds light on different aspects and the issues that we face in our society, that exist in our society and nobody talks about it. And it also talks about different positive and negative things that exist in our society. I will talk about it later as I will progress the story. So the story starts like this, that there is a boy, Manoj Sharma, he is sitting on a roof in area Chambal. That area is notorious for dacoits and he is making chits for cheating. He is in class 12th and on the same day we can see that his father got fired from his job. His father was in agricultural department and his father is an honest man and he is against corruption and bribery. And second day there is board exam, there is 12th class exam, and we can see that the teacher is making the student cheat in exam. The teacher and the principal, they all encourage students to cheat in exam, and at that time DSP Dushyant Kumar arrives there. He is an honest officer and he take action against them. He stops that cheating and as he stops the cheating, at that time there is the entry of school principal. So he tried to give him bribe. So the school principal tries to give him bribe, but instead of taking the bribe, Dushyant put that principal behind the bar. So guys, here we can see that the movie shed light on the issue of corruption and bribery. As we can see that everywhere is corruption nowadays. So that year all the students get failed because he didn't let them cheat. And after a few days Manoj Sharma again meet with Dushyant Kumar. He helps him that time, and that time Manoj Sharma gets motivated by Dushyant Kumar and by his honesty. So he asked him one question that I want to become like you, how can I become like you? So Dushyant Kumar there gives only one answer, that if you want to become like me then you have to stop cheating from today. And from that day, Manoj Sharma gets inspired and he quit cheating for forever. And guys, the next year again all the students sit for giving board exam. We can see that in movie the DSP gets transferred from that area. So again the school staff make the students cheat in exam. Everybody cheats there except Manoj Kumar, because he is a very honest person and he quit cheating forever. And that year he passed the exam by his hard work. He passed with third division, and after that he did his graduation. And then Manoj Sharma has only one goal, that he also wants to become an officer, and for that his grandmother gives all of her savings to him and said him that go to Gwalior and prepare for exam to become an officer. So we can see that he goes to Gwalior. That this story conveys a very strong message that how an honest person can change the mindset of other people also. Okay, then Manoj Sharma reaches Gwalior, and on his way to Gwalior someone stole his bag. Now he is penniless and he is roaming from here to there, and on reaching Gwalior he come to know that the government has banned the post for 2 to 3 years. And now he feels very sad, and one day he suddenly met a boy named Pritam Pandey. So Pritam Pandey belongs to a very rich family, and he also came to Gwalior for preparation. And now Pritam says that now I will go to Delhi, Mukherjee Nagar, for the preparation of UPSC. And that day Manoj Sharma hears the name of UPSC and IPS for the very first time. He comes to know that okay, IPS is a higher post than DSP, and earlier he has only one dream to become a DSP, and now he has another dream that now he will become IPS. So he convinced his friend that please take me with yourself to Mukherjee Nagar. They both went to Mukherjee Nagar, Delhi, and there he meets a person named Gauri Bhaiya, who serves as a mentor for Manoj Sharma throughout the movie. So there we can see that when he prepare for prelims, and during that time he doesn't have any source of earning, and then he work in a library as a part-time job. So along with the work in library, he side by side he also prepare for prelims. So in his first attempt we can see in movie that he fails, and there comes Gauri Bhaiya. He motivates him by saying restart, restart and restart. And again he prepare for the prelims for second attempt. Then Manoj Sharma works in a flour mill, okay, and to earn some money and to survive there. And side by side he also continues his studies. Here we can see that movie sheds the light on the struggle of poor students that they have to do when they prepare for such type of exams. They have to go through a lot. So after quitting his job in library, he works in a flour mill, and again he start to prepare for his second attempt. And this time he clears prelims, but for mains he study, but he doesn't get sufficient time for mains. The man named Gauri, he suggests him that now he should look for a coaching center for himself, and then he goes to a coaching center. And here we can see that the movie sheds lights on fake coaching centers, that how the coaching centers are making people fool and looting them by showing them fake selections from their institute. And that was the day when Manoj Sharma meets Shraddha, the actress of this movie, for the very first time. Then they both join another coaching center. Shraddha also comes to Mukherjee Nagar for the preparation of another exam. So they both join another coaching center. Slowly they start to become friends. But as the story progresses, we see that in the mains exam, again Manoj Sharma gets disqualified, and he feels very demotivated, and Shraddha also goes back to her hometown. Now this time Manoj Sharma feels very sad, and to search for that love, to get some support, he goes to Shraddha's home, but he is not able to find her there, and then he goes back to his home. Okay, and then there he come to know that his grandmother is no more, his father didn't come back to home, and his mother supports him, encourages him, and then again he comes back to Mukherjee Nagar. And again he starts preparing for his third attempt, and in his third attempt we can see that again he clears prelims, and he is not able to clear mains. Why? Because he is not getting sufficient time to prepare for mains exam. Then Manoj again start to prepare for his fourth attempt, and during his fourth attempt Shraddha comes back to Mukherjee Nagar. She encourages him and he clears his prelims, but he was not getting time to prepare for mains exam. He was not getting sufficient time. So this time Shraddha and his mentor Gauri helps him. Gauri gives him his own room and shift his luggage there and tells him that study in my room and I will send money to your parents. You do not need to work in any mill, just focus on your mains exam. And they all support him. So here we can see that we need a supportive partner and supportive friends in our life. So in Manoj Sharma's fourth and final attempt, we see that he clears prelims, mains and as well as interview, and finally he becomes an IPS officer. So that's all about this movie, and throughout the movie we can see that he goes through lots of ups and downs and he tackle with all the situation with a smile on his face and with a positive attitude. So guys, that's it for today. आई होप आपको समझ में आ गया है कि आप कैसे बड़ी ही आसान तरीके से इंग्लिश में कोई भी मूवी शेयर कर सकते हैं. आप डेली इसकी प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं, इससे आपकी स्पीकिंग स्किल्स इंप्रूव होगी. सो फ्रेंड्स, दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. आई होप यू फाउंड दिस वीडियो यूजफुल. इफ यस, देन गिव इट अ लाइक, subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends and with your family members. We will meet in next session. Till then, bye bye and keep learning.